Okay, so this is check the bug again. See if this was legit. Smash it into the tree. Boom. Okay, get out. Wait till I get to the side of the car.
Rico, do you need a partner?
Okay, start.
Okay.
Okay.
Percent.
Yes, I do.
20.
I'm gonna need to bring 2 people to the hospital in Lakeside.
Repaired that vehicle.
Time 4547, 10 to airstrip.
That's 10 out of 10. Like, try that again. Again? Wait, again?
Yeah, I'm in, sorry.
Alright. Okay, let's try it one more time. Okay, and then jump out.
Don't come right away. It's an active scene. A new one just broke out.
Wait.
10-4.
Percent. 15.
Fixed car. Okay.
There's a
Stop
Johnny
the-
Bravo at the end of the runway.
I'm
If you
in.
can get him.